welcome back to my channel. Like always, I'm How To Tech Tips, and I hope you enjoy my videos, and of course, don't forget to subscribe, comment, share any of my videos. Today I'm going to be showing you guys where your file goes when you download it onto your iPhone. So, today's example, I'm going to be showing you a backup of my Gmail information that I downloaded in my previous video. So let's just download it right now. And then here you'll see, do you want to download? Download. And then you'll see a little arrow here that goes down. And I'll start downloading. Downloads. We'll let that load. And while we have a minute here, please don't forget to subscribe and share any of my videos. Perfect. When that is done, you can just hit done and then go to your main screen. And you're probably wondering, where the hell did it go? You probably have no idea. Probably confused. I was confused as well at first. But basically, there is a downloads folder in your or on your iPhone. And where you access it is if you slide down and then type in Files, you'll see an icon like this. You'll have to left click on that, and then you can go to Browse, Desktop. There's a section there, Documents, and so on. So where we're going to want to go to is Recents, and then you'll see right away, right here, if we click that, then we can go to the Downloads folder, and then here it is. Take out, which is exactly what I wanted, and then these are all my folders. And that's basically it. Just make sure that you go to Browse, and then on my phone, and then Downloads. Or like I showed before, let's go to Recents and then hit the recent folder recent file that you just downloaded, like I did here. Just take out, and it'll take you right to the Downloads folder, and then just scroll down, and then you find it. Oh, as you can see, as soon as you click it, it right away starts downloading. Just like that. Thanks guys for watching. My name's How To Tech Tips. Keep teching on.